Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix desktop icon not working or not showing properly. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, you can see here on my desktop icon some icons are not showing properly. So I will show you how to fix this. Guys, I will show you two methods. First, you can try just right click on this, click on properties. Below you can see here change icon, just click on this. Guys, here you can see it has been selected as a blank icon. You need to change of which application icon it is. It is of Microsoft Edge browser. So I will select the icon, click OK, then click apply. OK, you can see the Microsoft Edge icon has been changed. If still it is not working, then I will show you second method. You need to press Windows plus R. By pressing Windows plus R, run command will be opened. Here you need to type app data. After that click OK. After that this window will be open. In this you can see here three dot. You need to click on option. Here you can see three tabs. You need to click on view. You need to scroll down a little bit. Hidden files and folders. By default it is don't show hidden files and folders. You need to select as show hidden files and folders, and you have to uncheck all these four options. Click on yes, click apply, then OK. After doing this, you will find one hidden file which will be visible. The name of the file is app cache. You have to delete that file. Guys, I am not getting that file because I don't have any issue with that. If you find any file name app cache, you have to delete that. After deleting, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix desktop icon not working or not showing properly in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.